I once again welcome you to my channel. Today we are going to be working on a carpet. We are going to see how we can make different designs or making a carpet in different ways aside from the one that we've been used to. So we are going to need a pair of scissors like this. You can have a different kind of scissors. Then we are going to need a canvas like this one here. Hope you can see it. It's rubber. Then we are going to need yarn. I have two different colors here. I have this one. This is coffee brown. And then this is the brown, which is light. So I'm also going to need a pencil like this. You're going to see how I'm going to be using it. Also this needle. It's a very big needle where this kind of yarn can fit. So please follow and see how we are going to make this carpet together. So we are going to start from here. You get your pencil like this and you put it here where we stopped. We worked on this first one already, which is the coffee brown color. So what I'm going to do, I bring my needle like this. I first tie it and make sure it is tight, like here. Then we get our pencil. You put your pencil like this. Then you roll this around the pencil. And you pass it in the very first one that we used to make it tight. First time and then the second time. So that is the first one. So we are going to go to the next one. Again, you make it go around the pencil like this. And then you look at the second one, the second hole. That's where you pass the needle. Then you take it also the second time to tighten it. So that's the second one. We are going to continue. Make sure this yarn goes around the pencil like this. Then you keep moving until you finish all of them. So this is the third one. You make sure that you don't prick yourself with a needle. This is for tightening. Then you take it the next time. It goes round again. Then you bring it again the second time like this in the same one. Like in one hole, you take it twice so that it becomes tight. Then you take it round the pencil again. Then you pass it one more time. You take it around the pencil again. You can either use a pencil, a small stick, maybe the size of the pencil, or you can even use a pen. Then again, as we keep moving, hope you can see started from here, but now we are keeping on moving. It has to go around the pencil the first time. So we're going to do this until you see. So this is what we have so far. You see how we've been using the pencil. So we are going to continue again like this. Because you can see the pencil is already over, but then you still have space here. So what you can do, you just pull the pencil like this, then you continue until you finish what you want to finish. You keep adjusting. So I think even if I stop here, so this is the last one, I'm going to stop here, but it has to go up to this side. So when I stop here, I'm going to make sure I tighten it like this. This is what we have. Hope you can see properly. We have something like this. So what we are going to do, we get our pencil and remove it. Then we put the pencil, you bring the pair of scissors and we start cutting. We are going to start cutting. You balance and you look for the middle. So you start cutting like I'm doing now. So this is what we have. Hope you can see. The wastage is not too much with this kind of method because there's just something very little that is remaining that is not wanted. So the wastage isn't too much. So you can trim it a bit. After that, you can put another step. This is what we've made now. We are rolling it again. So you can either use a pencil, a pen, or it can even be a small stick. Yeah, I prefer using a pencil. So you just keep doing that until you get the size that you want or until you work out the design that you want. So for this, I'm going to stop here, and then I show you what to do next. So this is the one I'm taking last here, and I'm going to make it tight. Hope you can see. Then we bring our pair of scissors and we cut this yarn that we've made. Then we remove the pencil. Hope you can see. You just remove the pencil like that. After removing, we cut the yarn here. Then we cut out these ones that have come out. So this is what we have. When you look at it properly, you can see how it looks in the middle. Hope you see this. This is how it is. So you can keep doing this because you've already done it here. So I want to show you what it looks like this side. So it is already done here. Hope you can see. And when you touch it, you feel it. It has a different texture. So when you open inside, hope you can see it properly inside. For the design I made already here. So this is what we have so far. And this. So when you keep following what we've done here, you can come up with something nice.